To set keyboard touch and hold delay in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find general management, and then tap general management. Select Samsung keyboard settings, and then scroll down Samsung keyboard screen. Tap swipe touch and feedback, and then tap keyboard touch and hold delay. Set how long it takes for a continuous touch to be recognized as a touch and hold on the keyboard. Select option you want: short, medium, long, or custom. Touch and hold the book for your desired custom touch and hold delay time. When you're satisfied, tap save. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.